Alright people, Big Ed here, doing another video on the 93 Harley Electric Glide FLHS. I got the front head removed. I got the back one put on. Now I'm working on the front one. The front one was not leaking, but being as I want the gaskets to match, I don't want to have mixed matched. I really didn't want to have to pull the front one off, but sure as I did, and everybody would say, oh, you should have pulled the front one off too and replaced it. Anyways, that valve is kind of gummed up in there, so I'm taking it off. This is a contraption I come up with right now. I had bought this cheap ass, don't buy one of these cheap ones on eBay. This piece right here bent. It started getting wider. It should be in more like this, you know. As I turned it to make it tighter to compress the spring, they use a cheap metal, and this piece right here starts bending outwards like that. So yeah, don't buy one of these. So what I did was I bought a heavy duty C-clamp, and I drilled a hole in the end here. And this one right here came with these little, I don't know what the hell you call them. Anyways, came with a whole bunch of them. Different sizes. I'll show you some of the other sizes. They come with these pins. Even this right here bent. I don't know if you can tell, but that thing's bent. But it's got different size ones, so I can interchange now on my C-clamp over there. But yeah, do not buy. I think this worked one time, and then I was trying to use it the other day. Use this the other day, and I was right here at the same place, and this clamp spread out a little bit, and all the parts went flying. Almost hit my damn window. Almost hit my window right there, but everything flew out. I just released this one. You see, with it bolted down like that, it's not going to fly out. That was another problem I was having before. This kept slipping out. I said, let me drill a damn hole and see if that works. I'm trying to undo it right now with one hand. I already pulled the keepers out. Come on, baby. But that's the tool that I made. I had to ground out that little right near the nut there. I had to grind that out so it would sit flush instead of cockeyed. Turned out to be a pretty good tool now. This part right here is not going to bend. It's pretty pretty solid and pretty heavy. And I don't have to worry about that piece slipping out anymore. Anyways, just wanted to show y'all where I was at on Gypsy and show my new little tool. It'll go down in my specialty box. Oh, I pulled the keepers out with that little magnet right here. I got this at the flea market for a couple bucks. Anyways, peace out.